Hello and welcome to No Doubt Racing, and this is what's coming up on today's episode. So today, it's the Champ of Champions. It happened on the 19th and 20th of December. Last race of the year. Happened at George Oval Track, dirt track race. Very great event.